Looking for a motherboard that's built by gamers, for gamers? The Phantom Gaming Motherboard delivers a powerful gaming experience with features designed to meet the demands of serious players. From its robust 8-power phase design to support for DDR4 5400+ overclocking, this board is engineered to keep your system running smoothly under pressure. Plus, with multiple graphics output options like HDMI and DisplayPort, it's ready to handle your high-res gaming setup without missing a beat. What really sets this board apart is its balance of performance and thoughtful extras. The Digi Power design with 90A drive. Most components ensures stable power delivery, while the inclusion of 2 slots lets you run a lightning-fast NVMe SSD for your operating system alongside a large capacity drive for games. RGB enthusiasts will appreciate the aRGB 5V and standard RGB 12V headers, giving you flexible lighting options to customize your rig. And if you want convenient connectivity, the USB Type-C header adds a modern touch for fast data transfers and charging. While the Phantom Gaming Board doesn't feature BIOS flashback, a handy tool for updating BIOS without a CPU, it's still a solid choice if you're using supported Ryzen processors. This is something to keep in mind if you plan to upgrade from an unsupported chip, as alternatives like Gigabyte or Asus B550 boards offer that feature. However, for gamers building a compact ITX system, this board shines. It offers Gen 4 support, which future-proofs your build and maximizes SSD speeds. The only minor downside reported is the placement of right-angle SATA ports, which might be tricky to access depending on your case layout. If you want a motherboard that combines gaming-specific features with solid performance and modern connectivity, the Phantom Gaming Board is worth a look. It's built to power your rig reliably while giving you the flexibility to customize and upgrade. Whether you're setting up your first build or upgrading your current system, this board delivers what matters most: stability, speed, and gamer-friendly design. Try it when you're ready to take your gaming setup to the next level.